Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, I've got another haul video for you. So this is a combination one of items I picked up between Sephora, Ulta, my local Rite Aid, Fred Meyer, so a few different places. But I have links for everything down below for you guys if you're interested in everything. So don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. So let's get going because I got a lot to show you. Let's start with Sephora. Unfortunately, a couple of the items I picked up from them is already out of stock. So I'm sorry to say that. The first one is an eyeshadow palette. This is called the Midnight Wishes. And this is actually a Sephora palette. And this was, I don't remember how much it was, to be quite honest with you, off the top of my head. And of course I can't find out because it's sold out. So this is what the palette looks like. I have to back up to show you, it's so long. And then inside, here's a very long skinny mirror. But this is what the shades look like. So they're very, very tiny little pans, so they may be a little difficult to get my brush into. But yeah, I'll play around with that and let you know at a later date how I like it. If you guys want to see a tutorial on it, please leave a comment down below. I also picked up some more Cover FX custom color drops. I had some and they just went bad, so it was time to refill them. And they had them on sale, I think, at the time I got it. Yeah, I think they had them at normal, their weekly wow thing. So I got it 50% off, but these are normally, I think I got them for $26. I'll leave the price down here below. I don't remember if that was the 50% off or if that's the regular price. This one I love. I've already tried it out. I'm wearing it on my brows today. This is the new Urban Decay Brow Blade. Oh my word. First time using it today. I absolutely love it. It's a little darker than what I would normally wear. And the way this works is one end you've got this extra fine like felt tip thing that you can go in there and just draw the finest little hair strokes. And it covers up those bald patches so well. And then the other end has the regular just brow product at the end of it, but it's so, it's the perfect consistency. It's not so hard that it like hurts to put it on, but it's not so creamy that it doesn't do a good job of filling them in, because sometimes they feel so waxy you feel like it's just not really doing the job. So I highly recommend this. I picked up mine in the color Brown Sugar. I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think that's a little dark? Maybe, we'll see. And then I picked up another item that is now already out as discontinued because it was limited edition. This is by Grande Cosmetics and it is their limited edition lip plumping kit, and you get 3 shades in here. 2 of them they actually still sell at Sephora. They're $27 each. This trio was $27 for all 3 of them, so have to try that out. Okay, so that is everything that I picked up at Sephora, and let's move on to Ulta. Okay, here are the products that I got from Ulta. This is by Pacifica, and it is their A Light Clean Foundation. I've heard of Pacifica, but I've never purchased any of their products before, so I just got really curious to try this. This is in the color Cool Light. It has a pump, and it's a frosted bottle, so let's pump some out. Go. Okay, that's too much. I don't know, is that going to be a little dark for me? It's very creamy feeling though, so that might work. Might work. Anxious to give that a try, so look for this in an upcoming Battle of the Foundations Thursday. And then they also have their Liquid Cover Full Coverage Lasting Concealer. So I grabbed that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it too. Ooh, that's thick and creamy. That might be a good one, guys. I even like the color. I got the color 17CL. Cool light. Anyway, so that's the swatch of it right there. Okay, this one I have tried out, and actually I have it on my eyes right now. This is by Essence, and it is their Yes I Can. This is their Natural Look eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks when you take the sleeve off of it. And you get, I say 24 shades with a nice mirror inside. So you have a great blend of mattes as well as shimmers in there, and they blend out so beautifully. I could not believe how well they went on. This is $14.99, and this rivals the high-end palettes. I'm not kidding. Be very careful. They're very pigmented. Tap off your brush. Just barely tap in there. I've got 4 different shades on my upper lids, and then I went in on my lids with some of the shimmers, and they're just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend this one. And I will, I don't know which video is going to be up. This will be coming soon, so look for a video of it. Also from Essence, I got their matte blush, the Touch Blush, and this is in the color Bury Me Up. Very pretty. I have that on as well today. And then I got a couple of lipsticks from them. Their Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this one in a little tube. The applicator on this is pretty unique, but that's what the color looks like, which is very pretty. And the applicator has kind of an hourglass shape to it. If I go over the top of this. Ooh, I like this. It's very, very comfortable. I don't think it's going to dry down though. I'm going to leave it on my hand. We'll see. And then I picked up another one of their Velvet Matte Lipsticks. This is the color 03. I love these. Love, love, love. So that's everything from Ulta, and let me get the rest out for my other stores. All right, this lip is starting to dry down pretty well. So yeah, not totally transfer proof, but we'll let it dry a little bit longer and see. Okay, so these items I got between Rite Aid and my Fred Meyer stores, that I found links for everything down below, so I will have links for them. First one is from Almay. It is their Truly Lasting Color, so TLC foundation. I got the color Ivory in that, so that runs $12.79. See how that works. And then I picked up an e.l.f. foundation. It's their Flawless Finish foundation. This is $6. I got this at Rite Aid, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Rite Aid. And I'll be trying that along with their concealer. So I'll have a concealer try out. This is in the color Fair, and this runs $3. I also got the Maybelline The Matte Bar. This has been out for a while, but I just kind of went back and forth deciding if I was going to get it or not. I haven't even seen anybody use it in any video, so I don't have any impressions. Again, if you want to see me do a look with it, leave a comment down below. But I will try that out, and that was $11.99. Then I got another one of my favorite lipsticks. This is by Maybelline, and it is their Color Sensational Made for All lipstick. I got the color Mauve for Me, which is $3.73. That is what the shade looks like. Swatch properly, and that is what it looks like on. And then I found yesterday at Fred Meyer Essence Melted Chrome Eyeshadows. Look at these, guys. That's so pretty. I've used it on the outer part of my eye today. I'm going to swatch it. Oh God, it's so buttery. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? This is in the shade Copper Me. And then this one is in the shade Zinc About You. And look at the pretty design it has on it. How pretty is that? That's just gorgeous. All right, the last item that I have was recommended to me by one of my subscribers, Leslie. So Leslie, thank you so much for suggesting that I pick this up, because I'm definitely going to be giving it a try. This is by Age 20s, and it's their compact foundations, their premium foundation. It's a little spendy. You can get it on Amazon for $32.99, but it comes with a refill as well. So let's take a quick peek at this. Okay, so here's the compact, very pretty. I love cushion foundations. And it comes in 5 different shades. You do have a nice mirror inside, and it's obviously empty because the refills are in here. And that's actually really nice that they are packaged, because that's going to keep them fresh that way too. So let's open one up and take a little look-see at this. She swears by it. And even their comments on it, it says that it's got an SPF of 50. It has hyaluronic serum in it. And it's supposed to be very, very moisturizing. So just gonna, here's what the pack looks like here. So it comes like so. You have the little sponge thing that you can use. So let's go ahead and put this in. So you have a hinge on this side, and then inside the compact there's a place that that lines up with. So you just simply put it in there, line it up, and snap it in place. When you open it, that is what the foundation looks like. So let's go ahead and try this. I hope I got the right color. I got natural beige, so when you swirl it just makes a mess of that pretty design. Let's swatch up here. Ooh, that's very creamy. Very creamy. And ooh, it's got great coverage. Holy cow. I'm very anxious to try this one out. So thank you again, Leslie, for suggesting that I get this. I think it's great, and it comes in 4 shades. They say the nude beige is best for very fair skin. Natural beige, which is what I got, is good for fair or light skin. Deep beige is suitable for medium tone, and dark beige is good for medium golden tone skin. So you'll be seeing this in an upcoming Battle of the Foundations for sure. Alright guys, that wraps up my haul. Again, leave me a comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see me use in upcoming videos. Definitely the foundations will be coming out shortly in some of my Battle of the Foundations. So now I finally have some I can use, and everything else I'll just be playing around with. So thanks so much for watching. Again, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Hit subscribe, hit the little bell, make sure that you're getting the notifications, and also give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always, all of you, I love you. Until next time, bye-bye.